Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making some butter glazed carrots. This is a really simple way to add a little pop of color to any plate. To make this dish you're going to need two ingredients, carrots and butter. These carrots are a little bit on the smaller side, so I'm using 3. If you have larger carrots you can use just 2. After you've washed the carrots, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut both tips off of each carrot. And then we are going to peel them. After you've peeled the carrots, you can slice them. Rather than slicing directly across, I find it much more visually interesting to slice at a diagonal angle. And now add just enough water to the pot to just cover the carrots. Like so. If you want, you can add a little bit of salt to the water to raise the boiling temperature. At this point, they're ready for the stove. You want to turn the stove on to high heat 25 minutes before you plan to serve the carrots. Once they start boiling, reduce the heat to medium-high. Up to high with 25 minutes to go. Alright, now that it's boiling, we can reduce the heat down to medium-high. And at this point, you just let it boil until 2 minutes before you're ready to serve. I'll see you then. Alright, it's now 2 minutes before I plan to serve the carrots, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the carrots from the heat and drain the water. Heat off. And water drained. With the carrots removed from heat and water drained, add about 20 grams of butter. And stir, shake, move, agitate, whatever you want to call it, to coat the carrots in the butter. And there you have it, a really simple way to add a colorful pop to any plate. Today I'm serving butter glazed carrots with a store-bought beef Wellington and roasted cauliflower. So there you are, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe. Down here is a video that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think you might enjoy. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.